All right. Hello and welcome back, guys, to one of the best streams in the world. Today, as always, we are trading gold on the New York session. Wow, look at that move. What just happened in gold? Man, gold just dropped for about 1,400 pips almost. This is insane. Totally crazy. What a move that you don't see this every day. So it looks like we have interesting price action today. Let's remove all this mess from our chart. I will explain on the forex chart. It looks much easier to explain on, because look at the futures chart and look at the gold. It's much better, but it's the same chart. So on the daily time frame, you can see here that we are approaching an interesting area. We are approaching this daily support right here. Very interesting area. It's right about there exactly. Yep. Let's just fix it to a number 48.77. We are approaching this. It looks like we are breaking below now on the daily time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, it looks like 4-hour created the top wick and now it's breaking, going to fill this wick right here. Looks like it's going to fill the wick. On the 1-hour, looks like it broke above previous candle and now still going to fill this 1-hour bottom wick. On the 30-minute, here is the interesting part. We have support right here and resistance right there. So all what we need to do is just wait for some confirmations, because it looks like we have a really clean price action today, and all what we need to do is just wait for some confirmations on the lower time frame. But it looks like price is just consolidating at the moment, so we are going to look for some closure above or closure below, which we will take a trade from there, and that's pretty much it for today. Looking good to go, guys. Looking very good to go. Yup, looking good to go. Gold moved about 1,400 pips. Bro, that's crazy. That is crazy. Yup, so looks interesting here, guys. We are waiting for now 30-minute candle closure, which we will be taking from there. We just need a really good closure, maybe a bottom wick and a top wick. Let's check the Nasdaq. What's going on the Nasdaq? We got a really nice support. This 4 hour didn't create that big of a top wick. Yep, so the Nasdaq also looks the same. It's kinda in this range, waiting for New York exchange open. It will open soon. In about 6 minutes we will see some crazy volume, so let's wait and see what will happen at New York exchange open. Here we are now. Right, this, let's adjust my lines a little bit, and I think it's looking very good to go. Very good to go. Wow, look at this, guys. Nasdaq is breaking down. Looks really interesting and juicy. So gold, we have 3 minutes left for this candle closure. So actually today also we have NFP day, sorry, not NFP, FOMC, which is kind of dangerous to trade. So I will stay for some times, and I will be probably out early today, because man, we have a lot of interesting news at 12 a.m. my time, which is in about 4 hours. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna wait for that, but you should be careful today, guys. It's FOMC day and anything could happen there. Anything could happen. Look at the Nasdaq melting, absolutely melting. Can we see the same on gold? It will be really interesting if we see the same on gold. It looks like it's breaking this daily support. It's breaking this daily support. Alright, 1 minute left on the clock. 1 minute left. So Can we get something? Can we get something in this 1 minute? Alright, so this candle closed now in the range. Man, this is really bad closure. It doesn't look good, guys. It doesn't look good to go anywhere actually. So let's wait for a couple of minutes. Check the Nasdaq. I think it moved already. It's moved already and it's a little bit overextended. This is 150 pips almost, so we are not looking to take anything there. Wow, look at that. Look at that number. So let's check oil. What's happening on oil? There is some interesting news that's just released. I think oil doesn't been recently very volatile recently. So this is like almost 600 pips move. Almost 600 pip move on oil. Look at the inventory. There is no, literally there is almost no oil inventory left. So this is less than the forecast. It's not less, it's actually more. That's mean it's bad for the currency, bad for the USD, and means it's good for the bad for the USD, good for gold. So we should see some move up on gold, but because of the FOMC now, I think we have to wait, because this is getting really confusing and out of hand. Everything here looks so confusing. Yeah, preferably wait for FOMC, so I'm just going to wait for this next 15-minute candle and probably gonna call it a day by then. Yup, just one more 15-minute candle and I think we're gonna call it a day. So what I'm waiting for here is that we just need a bullish candle on this in this range, and we can actually anticipate some buys. Yeah, we are just waiting for support. There is nothing much to do. If you guys like the video, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. This is gonna be one of the best channels in the world pretty much soon. You will be amazed how fast this channel will grow. And yeah, you will be amazed how gold will move now. So let's see what will happen now. Alright, so it looks like gold will be consolidating now and waiting for waiting for some sort of breakout. Waiting for some sort of breakout. Alright, looks like it's forming a support, guys. Now it's breaking down. Man, really tough price action today. Just tough price action for today. Looks good to go. We have 6 minutes left on this candle for closure. Just 6 minutes left. So can we get something in these 6 minutes? Can we get a closure? We want this candle actually to create a nice support, then we'll be good to go to take some buys. Will be good to take some buys right here. We need this week to be a big week and like a good body like this, something like this. Like this at least minimum. Something that looks like this with a big body candle. Nice body candle, like average, shouldn't be too small or too big, just an average body candle. Or alright, 3 minutes left on the candle, but guys, look at this. There is no volume. This is New York Open, and we don't see any type of volume in gold. So I think it's not a good idea to trade today. Not a good idea, especially with this price action. Let's see if this candle can close bullish. 164 pips looks good to go actually. If it can close with a little bit strong body. 2 minutes left, let's see. Let's see. Just less than 2 minutes left for candle to close. One minute left. 1 minute left. Oh man, this doesn't look good at all. And doesn't look like there is much volume at all. So I think, I believe that we should call it a day pretty much soon. Let's see if this candle can create a bottom wick and then re-break the highs. This is the only chance, otherwise we will just call it a day. Call it a day because it's FOMC today. It's a really dangerous day to trade in. Really dangerous. Oh man, this stops is about 100 pips already. Yeah guys, man, this doesn't look good at all. Yeah. So even if we waited for a bottom wick, it should re-break its own high. Yep, this is 140 pips. So guys, I think I will call it a day here today. Today's FOMC. Everyone should be careful and